Welcome to my channel. How to set up NETGEAR RS200 Wi-Fi 7 router step-by-step guide. Step 1. Unbox the router. Take the NETGEAR RS200 router out of the box and remove the protective packaging. Keep the power adapter and Ethernet cable nearby. Step 2. Connect the modem. Turn off your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the yellow Internet port on the RS200. Step 3. Power everything on. Connect the RS200 to a power outlet and turn it on. Wait a few minutes for the router's status light to become ready. Step 4. Connect your device. Connect your phone or computer to the default Wi-Fi network shown on the router label. You can also connect your computer using an Ethernet cable. Step 5. Open the NETGEAR setup page, open a web browser and go to routerlogin.net. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin setting up your router. Step 6. Create your Wi-Fi name. Choose a Wi-Fi name that is easy to recognize. Then create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 7. Set the admin password. Create a separate administrator password for accessing your router settings. Avoid using the same password as your Wi-Fi password. Step 8. Update the firmware. Check for available firmware updates during setup. Installing the latest update can improve performance, security, and compatibility. Step 9. Connect your devices. Reconnect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, printers, and other devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 10. Test your Wi-Fi connection. Open a few websites or run a speed test to make sure your internet connection is working properly. If everything works, your NETGEAR RS200 Wi-Fi 7 router is ready to use. Thanks for watching.